How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. In today's video, we are adding some convenience upgrades to the Mk7 GTI. And more importantly, convenience being when you open your door, you know, you've got all your interior lights that come on, but how am I supposed to know to not step in the oil that my Miata leaks if I don't have a way to light it up down there? The convenience package door lights, that you can get these for like the Atlas. They're pretty pricey though, and I don't know if they fit. I would have ordered OEM if I was confident they were gonna fit, but I wasn't sure. But we are gonna be replacing the little reflector lights here to actually light up, and they're gonna have a projector light that goes on the ground. You guys will see what the projector design that I decided to go with. But it's gonna involve taking off the light, taking off the door panel, which I've never done before on this car, so it's gonna be a learning process for me as well. So I picked up a little box from a website called Active Euro Retrofit. They looked like a US-based company, but it ends up coming from China, so you can probably find these anywhere really. But it is a 3D shadow light. And the box really does tell you everything you need to know about this product. Like, Open Special is different, door lights upgrade parts, and my favorite thing is it's really easy to install this because it's dedicated car easy installation. No need to change the vehicle. So I don't even have to change out my car to get these lights installed. But all jokes aside, this is a really cool little product that I've seen a couple people do. Not a ton of videos on it, especially on the Mk7 GTI, so I'm gonna try my best to make one for you guys today that shows you a little bit how to do it. None of my videos are how-tos, they're more so resources, references for people that are wanting to do the modifications that I've done. They can take a look at the videos and maybe help them along in the process. So with that being said, if you are new to the channel and this is the first video you're seeing, go down below, just hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, which is just a huge goal of mine. And it should just be a couple wires that we need to pin in, maybe some snipping and soldering, not positive, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna put the camera down, turn the music on, and we're gonna get into this install. All right, we've got the light all installed. I ended up having... Pausing pixel 5. I ended up having to extend the wire just a little bit. I was measuring from the wrong place. I thought it would reach, but it didn't. So if you do this, make sure you have a little bit of extra wire that you can use for the connections, but otherwise it's wired in from the door panel up to the little plug in the door. So now with our door closed, you probably won't be able to see it that well, but we've got some really cool puddle lights. I'm gonna go do the other side and then we'll show you in the dark. Very crisp, as you could probably see when it was like full darkness, but now we've got a little convenience warning light on the door instead of just a reflector, and we've got the awesome puddle lights. So they turn off once the door is closed. Once you open them, there they are. Super cool little feature. I'm really happy with that. It was pretty easy to install if you are okay at wiring. I'm not the best, but I do okay. Over here on the passenger side, it's a little darker, so you should be able to see it better. There it is. Pretty cool. Yeah, you can tell a lot better on the passenger side because it's darker, but that is like super crisp. It looks really cool, especially with the textured ground. So any parking lot you should be in, especially if there is water, I think it's gonna look really awesome. But I chose the VW logo because, you know, the GTI logo is cool, but I like it to be a little bit more OEM on brand-ish, I guess, with this modification. But there it is, guys. Super cool. Love it. Hope you guys enjoy it too. So that's gonna be it for this install video. I'm super happy with it. It's just cool to have little like convenience features like that. Just makes your car be a little bit different than all the other GTIs and Golfs on the road. So super excited about that. I've always wanted something like this. I just never really had a car that was like nice enough to have that. Like if I put it on the Miata, I feel like it'd be kind of weird because like why does the Miata need that? It's like more sports orientated. But this car was perfect for the puddle lights. So I'm gonna close out the video here though. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.